Yan, hinalo ko na yung sitaw. This is gonna be cleaning time. Pero we're done cleaning. We'll just go ahead and put that aside and let this one cook a little longer. Ayan. Ang ating ulam na may napakasarap. Oh, diba? Diba? Lalagay natin yung talong mamaya. That's it. That's our delicious food that we have now. Galing sa garden ko. Yan, may sitaw. Tapos may pipino. Galing din sa garden.